Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and look at all of these amazing Christmas fidgets. They look so cool and Christmassy. They look very vibrant, especially this one right here. They look just so cool, and I'm gonna be opening them with you guys, so let's get started. So the first fidget that I'm gonna open up is the smallest in the pack, which is this mini candy cane poppet, and it looks just so cool. I love the colors. Yay, that's so cute and tiny. Look, it's so cute. Here's the pops. That's the bad side, and that's the good side. It's so cute, and it pops really good too. I really like that a lot. And I have this present puppet. It's really big, and it just looks so cool. It looks so amazing, and I just love Christmas presents. And that puppet is huge. Wow, look how big it is. Let me pop it. That's the bad side. And that's the good side. So good. I love it a lot. Okay, so the next Christmas fidget that I have is Christmas tree puppet. You obviously need a Christmas tree. So I'm gonna open it right now. Oh, look how cute it is. I love the colors. It's just so cute. Let's pop it. That's the bad side. And this is the good side. Here's some little ASMR popping for you guys. Yeah, that is really good. I love the colors as well. It's just so cute. I really like that a lot. Here's the next Christmas fidget that I have is this Planet Dimple Christmas edition. It looks so cool, and it was one of my dream fidgets for a while. So I'm gonna pop it now. As you can tell, that was really loud. It's so good. Okay, so the last Christmas figure that I have is this little cute snowflake dimple spinner. I love it so much. It's really icy as well. It's so cool, and there's like little things like on the bubbles. So like, look, that's so cute. And if you spin it, that's so cool. I really like this one a lot. Here's the bad side, and here's the good side. So that is all the Christmas fidgets that I got, and I really like them all. Probably like my favorite is the Planet Christmas Edition Dimple. It's just the best. It's so amazing. But I really like all the others. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn notifications. Bye guys!